Hey guys, calling the crew. Here we are back at it.
Hey, I'm a girl.
Same day,
I'm
but
a girl. Yeah.
next adventure. We go on many adventures per day, so
Yeah.
that's why we're starting to make a documentary for you. And anyways, our boy here, his Cuckoo clock is busted. So we're taking it to the clock shop, and we'll show you the clock shop inside. The ladies are nice, and we'll
Kaylee's the nicest.
Yep, Kaylee, that's the girl's name. And we'll show you, not this girl. And we'll show you his cuckoo clock, and we'll show it to you when we bring it home. And it's a 1963 antique. It's awesome. We got it here, and I broke it. I dropped it off the wall. So we'll fix it up. They fixed it up, and we'll pick it up, and we'll show it to you when we bring it back home. We'll see you around. Bye. So here we are going down the road. This truck just automatically, what the heck? There it goes again. Did you do that?
No.
This radio just turns itself on. Nobody can figure out what the heck is going on here. I don't know if one of you guys. Every time we're just driving down the road, and all of a sudden, there it goes again. What the heck? Thing is whacked out. Well, that'll be on the next project, how to fix the freaking radio. All right, here we are. The old clock gift shop. This is where they got all the clocks. Look at the mega clock. Pretty cool in here.
If you want to work here, you can work here. I will.
That's it. As soon as we open the door, they're all going to stare at us, so I'm going to have to turn off the camera. I need like a hidden cam. Pretty cool shop though. You want to see a broken pinky toe? There you go. That's my normal toe.
Advice, if you have a broken pinky toe, tape it on like this.
That was like, what, a month now it's been like that?
Put cotton on the tape and
Let's check these headlights again.
And tape it around your foot. Ted, what a parking job.
Sweet. Clocks for everybody. Clocks galore. Clocks and clocks and clocks and more. There's the lady. Where's it? Just had to stop and say hi to these beauties. Hey there, fellas or ladies. Gorgeous. All right, we got the clock. It's in the box. Let's see it. Open up the top. Tilt it down a little bit. Yep, it's in there, and we bought an alarm clock for 20 bucks. I can't resist myself. So we'll show it to you once we get it all set up. And we're heading home. We'll see you in a little while.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, we made it home. Here's the clock. We also bought a little side trick, a little wind-up alarm clock. But here is the 1963 Cuckoo. Oh, I forgot one part to it too, the top piece. We'll get this on the wall, and then I'll grab the top piece quickly. This is what, 1963, bud?
Yeah.
They had to replace the chains and re-glue it because I screwed up and knocked it off the wall. So I put a stronger screw up here now, so it should be good. Let's put it up. Home sweet home. Open up the doors. And we'll get the weights. Here they are. 3 little pine cones. And the pendulum, which is still on the mark. And we'll put the weights on. Like so. 1, 2, 3. Gotta make sure it's level. Stand by, I'll go get the top piece. Be right back. Girls, did you put that turkey and cheese in the pot?
So if you guys were wondering what was popping out of the clock and playing the music, it was a little boy on a swing, I think.
And the finishing touch. There's a little bracket there. I can figure it out. This is how I busted it off the wall before, messing with the antlers. There she is. All right. Now, what's the time? Anybody have the time?
Yeah, you have a watch.
Oh yeah. 6:35. So, never go backwards on a cuckoo, only forwards.
There's the little man on a swing.
And since it's set at 8 o'clock, we'll just set a reminder at 8 o'clock to start it back up. And to do that,
Don't we stop the pendulum?
our new alarm clock.
Don't we stop the pendulum?
Stop the pendulum. Very good. Thank you, buddy. We'll stop that. To wind these, you just simply pull on the chains. Those are the cuckoos. This is the ticker. And we also have our little alarm clock here. Back up to speed. See you guys later. Time to make some grilled cheese, if you please.
Sorry for my bad camera skills, because I'm not used to camera.
His camera skills are awesome. Give him a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. Good job, buddy. Magic. And he's the star of the show. Everybody likes him. Who's you, Mr. Bear? Hmm? He's our buddy. We love you, right?
Problem is, he's on the wrong bed.
He's a happy boy. We love you. Look, he just loves us. He's usually my shadow. He follows me everywhere I go.
Like
Yep.
right now.
Like now, here. Now he sees me. And he saw a piece of plastic.
Magic.